Jinan BCAM CNC Machinery Company Limited was established with the most discriminating customers in mind and has proven itself quality-wise by selling our products to over 90 countries worldwide successfully. Belong to BCAM CNC Machinery Shandong Company Limited, professional machinery manufacturing company with 8,000 square meters factory, a highly specialized workforce, and more than 20 patent technologies has gained a global reputation. BCAM CNC Machinery, Shandong comprehensive in the production, design, manufacturing, trade, and service of CNC machine like CNC router, edge banding machine, CNC woodworking machines, fiber laser cutting machine, and other woodworking machines. Carbon dioxide laser cutting machine, our wide variety products used in the field of signage, sheet metal processing, aerospace. All our products are precision engineered to ensure the high standard expected from ourselves. The whole manufacturing process is meticulously and systematically controlled to guarantee the precision and quality. Customer service excellence. Jinan BCAM CNC have a strong and resourceful sales and technical support teams who are well trained to provide our customer possible service. For better service to our customer, BCAM CNC has already established sales and service branches and warehouse French, UK, Germany, Dubai. BCAM CNC Machinery Shandong has more than 9 years of experience and has built and installed thousands of machines for industries, including metal composite cladding, sheet metal processing, signs, advertising, auto parts, metal crafts, metal letters, graphics and print finishing, metal fabrication, solid surface, and many more.